Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I just want to give you a quick tip regarding putting like trim molding up or any kind of like shader railing, or in this case the base part of some laminate flooring accent wall that I did recently for my son's bedroom. So first off, safety first. Secondly, when you do nail into the wall around the base, as far as the baseboards, or if you're doing like a chair rail, you would think that you would want to nail directly straight on to the stud, and this method is not great because the holding power on this is not very strong. A better bond would be to use your nailer at an angle here, okay? And you're going to alternate the angles along with that caulk or that liquid nails. And this holding power is a lot stronger. As you see, I was able to take it off, but it took a lot longer. So just wanted to share that quick tip for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my below videos right here.